Sudden deck. Maybe you know the effect? For all these years, sudden deck was done with a bicycle back design. Why? It was the only way to do it. But times have changed, and now everyone has all these choices. Different decks they like to use in performance. Well, now you can do sudden deck with any back design. This is Universal Sudden Deck. I'm so excited. I went on a tour of the US Playing Card Company, and they gave everyone free samples. I love free samples, don't you? There's a deck of cards before they're printed. This is what it looks like after they're printed. I know, much more colorful and interesting colors. I know they're not done though. They perform it in the shape of a card box. Once it's in that shape, that's when they can put in the deck of cards. I wouldn't kid you, a full deck of playing cards. This is Universal Sudden Deck. So, any back design, much more durable, and now a slightly larger capacity. That is Universal Sudden Deck.